Okay, we are all about beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs today, as in no related work experience or very little experience is required. And guess what? The pay's not too shabby either, so let's jump right into them. So the first one I want to share comes to us from Cranial Technologies. They're a company that makes cranial orthotic products custom-made for each baby's head. They have an opening for an image processing specialist. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. And what you do is utilize digital 3D images from Cranial Technologies' proprietary technology to generate reports that are used to document the correction of the baby's cranial asymmetry. And whenever I see proprietary technology, that tells me it's their property, so they will have to provide some training. So in more detail, you'll generate DSI analysis reports from 3D DSI images using VAM, which includes photos and anthropometric measurements. Register before and after 3D images to create comparison DSI analysis reports. Assist the Digital Technologies Department in reviewing and auditing 3D images while running commercial and proprietary software applications. You'll also be the liaison between multiple departments regarding reports and measurements while maintaining consistent delivery of reports in a timely manner to remote locations. They want you to have strong visual perception skills. You have an analytical mindset with attention to detail. You can manage your time well. You have strong communication and customer service skills. You also have excellent computer skills. You're comfortable with technology, and they have a preference for prior experience with 3D software, and that's just preferred. That's not required. You do need a high school diploma or equivalent. So they offer your standard suite of benefits, and they tell us they'll pay you $18 per hour with opportunity to increase based on your performance. And look here, they'll give you a $1,000 sign-on bonus. So moving on to our next work-from-home opportunity, it comes to us from Precision Medicine Group. This job is for a program coordinator, medical communications. You can work full-time remotely anywhere within the United States. And what you do is track project deliverables through all departments, ensuring due dates are relayed and obstacles are identified and communicated efficiently. You'll be responsible for running clients' medical, legal, and regulatory process. This includes submission, coordinating with taggers, and communicating status updates to the client, the MLR supervisor, and your supporting team. You'll also oversee coordinating internal and external meeting, taking meeting notes during meetings, and providing status updates to the team. And what they want from you is a bachelor's degree, ideally with a concentration in advertising, marketing, communications, or journalism. Other majors will be considered. And they tell us you need 0 to 2 years prior work experience in a client service, agency setting, or related internship experience. So that's key, 0 years experience. I'm going to say if you have a bachelor's degree but no related work experience, this job has your name on it. And you need to be comfortable using computers, and you have strong communication skills. And it would be helpful, but it's not required, just helpful you have a working knowledge of timeline and schedule development, as well as experience supporting a project manager or marketing team with coordinating tasks and tracking deadlines. So as far as the pay, I'm just scrolling around this job. Way down here, they tell us they'll pay you between $41,900 and $62,400 per year. So our last beginner-friendly work-from-home job is with Birch Gold. This one is for a sales support specialist. It's a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. And on this job description, they tell us they'll pay you between $19 and $24 per hour. So basically, you'll be the liaison between customers, custodians, vendors, and depositories to solve customer complaints and potential concerns. You'll oversee the shipping process of precious metals, work with vendors and company departments to resolve all shipping problems, and make follow-up calls for customer satisfaction purposes and respond to reviews that are posted. You'll also mail out and email items and documents, review and address email inquiries and tickets in a timely manner, review purchase orders to ensure tracking and/or transfer notifications have been received and items delivered, obtain tracking and transfer notifications, coordinate with suppliers to ensure customer-requested logistics accommodations and/or special instructions are met, follow up with customers to ensure packages arrive safely and in good order, work with appropriate parties regarding shipments to proper facilities and report correctly, investigate, analyze, and suggest solutions to routine claim issues, and facilitate prompt complaint resolution through direct contact with superiors. They're looking for someone who accepts criticism and feedback. You have good communication skills. You display courtesy and sensitivity while maintaining a positive attitude when dealing with customers. And they tell us you must have a customer service background. And like I always say, if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service. And you have good problem-solving skills. So that sums up this job. In fact, we just went over 3 beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more work-from-home jobs, check out this video right here. And hang in there, guys. I know it's really tough out there. There are so few jobs and so much competition, but your job is out there. We're on our way to finding it. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.